Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Erin Jones, and today I'm taking a different turn. Instead of focusing in on my baby today and tips I share about my baby, I'm going to focus on the mamas today. I'm sharing different ways to make money online as a stay-at-home mom, as a mom on mat leave. Myself, I have looked into these things. I am exercising these things and using my creativity and my talent and my knowledge behind it, and it's working for me, so I decided I should share it with you guys. Just a background, my baby's behind me here. She wouldn't sleep, so she is in the video and you're gonna hear her. So the first way that you can make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means that you're going to reach out to a company, you're going to get a personal link or code from them that then you can display on your social media for people to buy a product that you truly love and want to promote. You get a commission out of this, and that's how you make money. So I myself have been active online and I love sharing my day-to-day tasks. So I participate in affiliate marketing. I reach out to the companies and I give them my little blurb of who I am and what I do on social media, and then they can offer up a personal link and a personal code, which when you share a product that you have of theirs that you're already showing to your followers online, and then you link it in your stories, in your description, in your posts, in your reels, and if people click on it and purchase an item based off of you, you will get a percentage commission off of that, and that is affiliate marketing. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and that's totally fine. It's just a casual way to get extra income for yourself while you're already sharing these products with people. The next way you can make money or gain free items is through brand partnerships. Once again, you're gonna reach out to a company, explain to them how much you like a product or would like to try a product, and in return, they usually ask for a video or some photos for their website and for their social media, and to let everyone know how great this product is. Sometimes you can incorporate affiliate marketing with that, where you get a code and you get commission, or you just get the product for free and you get to use it towards whatever it is that you would like. This is great for moms who are looking for items for their babies and you don't want to go out and pay for it, and you know it's a great product, so you reach out to the brand and they offer it up for free in exchange for videos, photos, and a lot of marketing online. The third way to make money online is going on sites and using your knowledge, expertise, experience, creativity through places like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can write out gigs for people to purchase from you. So for example, you can post that you'll do social media posts for people in exchange for a certain amount of money. So you can do this on Upwork and Fiverr. They have posts there that you can apply to in your creative space, or you can make up gigs for yourself and people will come to you. So in my first month of doing this, I actually made $300. So I was pretty proud of myself for that, and I'm continuing to put myself out there and using these sites to find work. And I believe they actually do work if you're passionate about it. This can be anything from editing photos and videos, creating UGC content, writing transcript, helping people out with their own websites. Honestly, the list goes on and on. There's so many things that you can do, and if you're a creative person, I know that you will find a job on one of these sites. Another way that you can make money, I feel like it's been on blast on my personal social media, and I'm not sure why. Maybe it's stuff that I've searched and it relates to it, but you can create your own online course. I can go into detail about this. I personally haven't created an online course, but I know exactly what they're talking about. I'm from the social media background, so I totally get it. So basically, you can take your expertise in whatever you're in. Doesn't matter if you are a nurse, if you are a teacher, if you are a social media manager. It doesn't matter what you work for, as long as you have knowledge in some type of job, career, and you want to put that to use with your knowledge. You can easily create a course that either helps people develop more skills, gain money out of it, all that kind of stuff. I know that there is a want and need for people to access courses, and as a new person creating a course, you can start it off at a really decent price and people will buy it because they're very intrigued to learn more and how to make more money. And I think that's the key with these courses, is that people want to be able to learn from it and make money themselves off of whatever they've learned. Because in this world that we're in, unfortunately, times are tough and everyone's finding ways to make money. Another way relates to affiliate programs, but if you are a huge Amazon person and you buy off Amazon all the time, like myself, I live off of Amazon. If you love Amazon, why not just share what you are buying? They have an associate program and I highly suggest joining it. You never know who will click that link and buy something. It could be ice trays and you could post it on your social media and someone thinks it's cool and they're gonna buy it. It could be that walking crab that everyone has for their baby. I bought it through someone else's link and they made money off of me and I got it because I think it's so cool. And honestly, why not try and make a little bit of money where you can? It could take time. You could have a list of your Amazon faves on your Instagram. That way people can click through it and find the link and buy it through there. So why not just try and make even a few dollars off of literally everything you buy on Amazon? They also have an influencer program. I know you just have to be super active on social media and you will get there. So if you aren't there yet, eventually you will get there, but start off with the associates program. It's amazing. And I have already made a random like $100 off of it in the last 2 months. Another way you can make money online is by creating a podcast or a blog online. Yes, these things take a lot of effort and time to start up, but you can easily monetize and run ads on both of these things. So with a podcast, everyone knows that there are many ads in between, at the beginning, at the end. You can say this whole podcast is sponsored by so-and-so, and honestly, that's a fun way to get your creative juices flowing and out, especially as a stay-at-home mom or a mom on mat leave. I know for myself, this YouTube brings me joy because I feel like I'm talking to someone and I'm getting my feelings out and I have something to do. And for me, it's more than just a hobby. It truly is a passion. So if you have a passion for speaking to people about certain topics, a podcast is a great idea. My sister and I literally have been saying we're going to do a sister podcast for like 4 years and we've never done it. And honestly, when I have time, we will plan that all out. Blogs as well. Those are a great way if you love creative writing, if you love sharing products that you enjoy. Easy way to get ads on your blog once you have it up and running and you got all your click rates coming through. And you know, it's just like social media. Instead of sharing it on Instagram, you're writing in a blog. You also can put that on Pinterest. Everyone loves Pinterest and people click on blogs all the time through Pinterest. So once again, a bunch of ways to make money. The last thing is YouTube, what I'm doing. So I currently don't make money on YouTube, but it brings in money in different ways, i.e. affiliate marketing, brand partnerships. Honestly, these two things have helped me out make money, and to top it off, it is bringing me joy, and I love YouTube and I'm happy to be here, and I love when you guys comment and ask me what I should do next. YouTube has made me feel so much better about myself when I'm home alone. I get to talk to you guys about my baby and about tips and tricks that I've learned. And guess what? Once you hit those 1,000 followers and the 4,000 hours of watch time, you are monetized and you can start making money. So why not just create? Doesn't matter if it takes a year, 2 years, as long as you enjoy doing it, then hop on YouTube and just start like I did. I have wanted to do YouTube for so many years, to the point that my email has YT in it, and that stands for YouTube for me. And that was years ago that I created that, knowing that one day I would do this. So I'm so happy to be here. I'm way more comfortable on the camera, and you can definitely make money off of YouTube as well. Overall, I hope you guys have figured out a way to make money online. One stream of income works, multiple streams of income work. Stay-at-home moms, moms on mat leave. If you feel like you need to keep yourself busy outside of your baby, which is already a lot as we know, then these are great opportunities to start. And like everyone says, you just have to start. I've done it and I feel good about it. I kind of have a routine on when I shoot and when I post. When I have time when my baby's sleeping, I usually work on this because why clean the house when I can work on this? But on a serious note, all of these things that I said also take a lot of time and effort. So don't think you're gonna be racking in the dough in 2 seconds. Don't listen to all those people who are like, start this course and make $7,000 next month. It's not that easy. You have to put a lot of time and effort into it. And as a mom, you know how hard it is to share time with your baby, cleaning your house, taking care of things, and also doing things online to promote yourself, to promote your brand, to promote your knowledge on everything that you have. Everything is a lot of work, so we can't discount that. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I would love to go into detail about each of these things, so maybe I'll make another video. Let me know what you guys are most interested in. And for now, that's everything. See you guys in the next one. Bye.